Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade fudge, updated. Gather sugar, butter, milk, chocolate, and a candy thermometer, then line a pan with parchment paper and prepare to stir constantly as the mixture heats to the correct temperature. Warm and friendly tip. Keep heat moderate and patience steady while cooking fudge to avoid graininess or burning, and always test with a spoon to check consistency. Use a candy thermometer when possible, and be ready to remove from heat at the right moment to cool slightly before adding final ingredients or flavorings gently. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please hit subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for unbeatable comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for staying cozy while you bake. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once the cooked base is ready, stir in vanilla or other flavorings off the heat, and fold in any mix-ins like nuts or chocolate chips. Transfer to the prepared pan, tap gently to remove air pockets, and refrigerate until set. Use a warmed knife to slice neat pieces, then store in an airtight container to keep the fudge soft and fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.